Guys, what is that? It's a sniper! Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, guys, I got a sniper. It's a gun on its own. Throw a gun. He threw a gun. Don't throw a gun, because it's an airsoft gun. So here's what we do. Just, yeah, it's a really the cock sounds amazing. I'm just gonna get all hooked up. You got some safety, mag control, everything. See, listen to this. Can't get it? I got to get this. So you even got some little safety. So the safety is exactly right here. Okay, there we go. And then put it that way. See? Even don't think this is a real gun, because it's not. You actually have to get the orange chip on there. So I'm not pointing at the screen. I'm pointing at some wood. And yeah, because I kind of have a little bit of wood. Really? Wood? It's really trash. So yeah, guys, the coolest thing about this is that I can exactly hold it. Guys, you always put your shoulder up here. You don't go like that, or else it's gonna go shoot you. If you shoot a real gun like this, like a shotgun, it's gonna kick back, and as soon as it hits you, it's gonna come back and bust open your eye. This is why you never do that. And that's when I first ever shot my first shotgun. I actually put it up to my shoulder. Now, guys, even look at this. Anyone has their own range sight? See, I'm just gonna put it out that wood. So you guys can actually see what this is gonna look like. See, the range sight is just like right here. Range sight is right there. It's a very nice thing. And I got these little darts. Guys, watch this. I can actually like get it. Watch. It's really hard for me to juggle, but I did it before. Like, this man can go like this. Guys, watch. So I have a Nerf bullet. Yeah, it's really cool because you just gotta like scrunch it, and then as soon as you let it go, it's just gonna shoot it like this. So then watch. So you're gonna shoot it like that. So just watch it when you get almost close to the edge of the camera, and just go like that. It looks so cool. You know, with this little metal ball, and I call it the magic ball. If I can find it again. It's very nice.